As a merchant in today's global economy, you can easily reach consumers around the world. They find you with a simple internet search, and suddenly they're shopping your site. But all too frequently, those shoppers turn away or abandon their carts because they cannot figure out the cost of your goods in their own currency, and they don't want to pay the extra fees charged by credit card companies when converting their local currency to US dollars. Now, thanks to First Data's global ePricing, you can give customers around the world a personalized, in-country shopping experience with pricing they understand and with no conversion fees to deal with. Using global ePricing, you can expand your business into new markets, accept payments in over 140 different currencies, and still receive payment in US dollars. Simply put, with global ePricing, you don't need to invest in physical locations around the globe to capitalize on revenues from foreign consumers. Even better, you can set pricing by country based on market demand, change the look and feel of your website for each market, and even change the language, sizing, and product descriptions to give your customers the best possible shopping experience. Best of all, your customers pay no international currency conversion fees, and they face no exchange rate hassle, leading to higher customer satisfaction and repeat business. Here's how it works. Let's say you run an online boutique and you want to offer your goods for sale in several countries. There are several ways that you may direct your international customers to the pages that you have designed specifically for them. On your site, you may display flags from the countries whose currencies you accept. You may create a drop-down menu, or you may even use IP recognition software to enable your website to identify where a shopper is located. For example, shoppers from the UK pick their flag or currency and they are directed to pages that you have created for the British market. You will notice that the British flag is now dominant on the website. Note that although the products have remained the same, the sizing options have changed to be consistent with European markets, and the prices are now displayed in British pounds. Now, let's return to the home page and see what happens when a shopper from Mexico visits your site. Shoppers from Mexico pick their flag or currency, and they are directed to pages that you have created in Spanish. You have set pricing to accept payment in pesos and provided product information in a language they understand, so they know exactly how much your products cost in their currency. Once they fill their cart, they move into the payment process, and they may pay with any card displaying the Visa or MasterCard logos. When they click the final payment button, their card is charged for the exact amount they saw on your website. No international currency conversion fees, no exchange rate hassle. And First Data pays you without delay in your normal funding process using conversion rates provided daily by Visa and MasterCard. Now, shoppers from Japan land on your website. They simply click Yen on your drop-down menu and your site displays your products in Japanese. Let's say that, as the owner of this online boutique, you've discovered that the shirts you offer aren't popular in Japan, but your jeans are a hot item. With global ePricing, each of your sites targeted at different markets can list different products, allowing you to cater to each market's trends. Therefore, you've decided not to offer your shirts in Japan and have deleted them from your Japanese site. Simultaneously, you know you can charge twice as much for the jeans on your Japanese site as you do on your UK site. The shopping cart displays the final total in yen, but you are paid in US dollars with no funding delay. First Data's global ePricing allows you to sell your products around the world and still provide outstanding, predictable service that your customers expect and appreciate. With First Data's global ePricing, you can expand your business into new markets, accept payments in over 140 different currencies, receive your payments in US dollars right along with your domestic funding, and manage both your international and domestic transactions at one time with client line reporting. And you may set product prices for each country you serve. Your price to the consumer doesn't change each time they visit your site. Your customers pay no international currency conversion fees, and they face no exchange rate hassle. Perhaps best of all, global ePricing is easy and cost-efficient to implement. Go global with First Data's global ePricing.